My name is Robert Barnard. I work at BlueBay Automation as a controls and applications engineer. BlueBay's focus is in automation, flexible automation, robotics, IIoT, water, wastewater, and we do offer engineering services and technical expertise on the products that we sell. Not many other companies are really jumping on board with technologies as soon as they're deployed necessarily, because they really like to work in their wheelhouse and they don't necessarily want to move outside of that wheelhouse. At BlueBay, as soon as we find out about a new technology, it's like we already have a project that requires that technology. So in this application, we used a vast offering from Phoenix Contact, from their breakers, terminal blocks, obviously the Axioline controller, signal conditioner, all of the DIN rails, panel ducts. We go pretty much standardized with Phoenix Contact on that. The reason that we install multiple Phoenix Contact products in the panels is really because we've very much had good success with their products. We know the products. We sell for the cabinet confidence, which obviously dictates that we install Phoenix in there. It's just what makes sense. Because of the requirements that the customer had, we found that using Node-RED as a plug-in and an IIoT solution was going to be the most effective way to transmit data to their data lake. The idea was to develop a solution that can be applied to multiple projects, to multiple customers and their needs. You need something to manage all of these different solutions coming together, and that solution needs to be open. You need to be able to get in there and make it do what you need it to do. You can't have limitations with communications, with features, functionality. It has to be a top-of-the-line product. It has to be able to use all of the latest technologies that are available in the industrial sector. And with the PLCnext solution, really we're finding all of those combined in one package. The limited lifetime warranty, which backs the cabinet confidence offering from Phoenix, has really been a main selling point, or one of the key selling points with a number of projects that we've worked on. So there are certainly plans for BlueBay to use Phoenix Contact in the future. We've found solutions that really work well for us and our customers.